is a set of 6 ESD precision screwdrivers suitable for work with all electrostatically sensitive electronic components. Freely rotating cap and curved surface in the middle of each handle makes them very comfortable to use and, above all, very precise. Tip of each screwdriver is specially hardened, increasing their lifespan and corrosion protection. Screwdriver tips are torques from T5 to T10. T7 to T10 are security torques. The set comes with a convenient holder that can be placed on a desk or attached to the wall. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.